and I was wasting hours a day versus the 15, 20-minute pockets. I'm literally putting things in there now of like, check the Facebook posts, write back texts, take 20 emails off of a Facebook group and send them like a something for whatever, take 20 minutes and start to edit this week's podcast. You're not doing it the last minute. And you start to be a lot more efficient with some of like the downtime in the day that you didn't realize you were just wasting.
Man, that's really good.
What are stuff I steal from people smarter than me that I talk to, man? None of it's my original ideas.
Yeah. I'm getting that now too, where I'm having these, gaps in there and I'm filling them in just with, so I do in the morning, I do tons of consuming content, and nothing social, just videos and reading. And so that's been my habit that's really been juiced up my mind for years. And I haven't been exercising for a while. So that's one of the things I'm starting to do, even just getting up out of the office in the daytime. And we've been just going to the beach and getting barely a little tiny bit of sun. But we've been like on the, the grind mentality and the staying in it and just hours and hours and hours and hours and hours a day.